this video, and I'm gonna video the new update of Grow a Garden. So this, if I don't finish this before the update, then I will do a second part. So it's bee swarm, so I must see what in stock. So let's see. There's nothing, so just quick a view of my garden. Can you guys rate it? If you can't, it's okay, but here's my garden. I have sunflower, coconuts, apples, and candy blossoms, and basically anything. But here's my brother's garden, and he has cacao, and like we're the same page, like okay. And he built an obby, so I'm gonna try finishing it before nothing, because the update is in 2 hours and we have a lot of time, but I hopefully can finish and cannot do a second part, but let's see. So what will you do? And if you and a new glitch, just if you want to do it, you need the turtle and wait, turtle. We need the turtle. This involves the turtle and the master sprinkler. If you put the master sprinkler down and mass spam and it will just keep going on until you leave. So try this if you want, but I'm not gonna do this because I don't want to waste a master sprinkler, and I'm free to play, and I hope this helps. But and if you want to do the what is that name again, the followed method of the sprinkler method is master sprinkler, godly sprinkler, advanced sprinkler, and basic sprinkler. You can and just leave the game and be back in 30 minutes or 1 hour, and you will have some big fruits. And that's basically it, and see you guys in the update. But I'm not gonna end my video so far, and I'm gonna see if there's a giveaway. I'm gonna give away some fruits. Just say your name and friend me. My name is this on 560 Jello, and just message me on like on I don't know, but just message me if you want I will just take a I'm gonna give away some amaluk because I don't know what to give someone. So if you're a noob, this will help, because I don't want to give some big fruits out because I'm trying to get some mutation on it. But here's one, celestial. Here. So let's see how much is this worth and who is the first. How much is this worth? And it's around 23 million, and whoever is first will get the celestial frozen shock candy blossom. So and Jandel is chatting. So see you guys not because I'm playing this game until the update, but okay. So this is what I'm giving away. Celestial Shock Frozen. Hmm? Discord. So I don't have the Discord, but check it before. Jantel said they're getting close, but not yet finishing the puzzle. So this is what I'm giving away. So just do it, and I will give away and the first player to do this, I guess, and whoever says it first is 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 the winner. So that's it, I guess. My brother's trying to make me laugh, so if I look like I'm struggling, it's just my brother. Okay. So join the game if you want. It's close to the new event, so hopefully you guys make it. Maybe we will get some new pets if we join early. So stay tuned. Shut up, Joseph. Okay. So if you guys want this, you need to Celestial Shock Frozen Candy Blossom you will get. So let's see who will get the first. So if this video releases, there's no issues. So let's search up 10 Blossom, and let's see. Sorry guys if I've been quiet. I'm just seeing what I have. Okay guys, so okay, I'm gonna go in this game because I don't want to miss the best game ever's update. Sorry if being but if you're wondering, I'm not sharing that. So this is my brother, and this is Rada Destroyer. That what he call him, but he's not a destroyer. He is a good person, and this is his garden. I already said that. So this is a interview with my brother. Sorry guys, I'm just calling my brother. Hello guys. Welcome to another video, and smash the like button and the subscribe button. And that's his shy but okay, but I think we should be done here. Oh, not yet. There's that is candle with the sun. So we're not finished yet. So guys, we are not done. If you're wondering, I'm giving away a candy blossom with celestial shock frozen mutation. It worth like 23 million, so all the noobs out there say I'm gonna choose one random winner. So bye bye, smash that like button and subscribe, and remember, I love you.